friends, myself Aninda, and today I am going to show you an experiment of physics. Apparently it seems that this experiment violates Isaac Newton's gravitational theory, but actually it doesn't. At first I will show you the experiment, then I will explain it elaborately. So do not waste your time, let's get started. Two symmetrical wooden blocks are placed vertically on the surface. The height of one side of each wooden block is higher than other side. Two symmetrical plastic funnels are coupled face to face. Here I used sellotape to couple them. When I place the funnel pair at lower side, it moves automatically from lower side to higher side. What? It moves from lower height to higher height. Newton, where are you? Is it moving against gravity? Confused? Don't worry, I am here to help you. But before going to explanation, you need to know some basic information. Let's know it. The height of the wooden block at starting point is A. The height of the wooden block at ending point is B. The difference between two sides is B minus A, where B minus A is a positive number. The center of the funnel pair is situated on the middle of the main axis, and the radius of the funnel pair is h. When the funnel pair is placed on the starting point, then the height of the center of the funnel pair from the ground surface is a plus h. When the funnel pair moves from starting point to ending point, then the center of the funnel pair moves gradually to downwards. Because the distance between two sides of the wooden block increases gradually from starting point to ending point. When the funnel pair is placed at the ending point, then the height of the center of the funnel pair from the ground surface is B. We all know that the potential energy equal to mgh, where m equal to mass of the object, g equal to gravitational acceleration, and h equal to height of the object from the earth's surface. Mass and the gravitational acceleration is a constant, only variable is the height. When the funnel pair is placed at the starting point, then the height of center of the funnel pair from the ground surface is a plus h. When the funnel pair is placed at the end point, then the height of center of the funnel pair from the ground surface is h plus b minus h equals to b. Starting point height is a plus h and ending point height is b. And we all know that every object tries to move from higher potential energy to lower potential energy. So in this case, a plus h is greater than b, and we can replace b as a plus b minus a. So we can conclude that h is greater than b minus a. Height difference between two sides of the wooden block is b minus a, and the radius of the funnel pair is h. To complete this action successfully, we should design the wooden block in such a way that the height difference between two sides of the wooden block is less than the radius of the funnel pair.